Hey there, my friend and fellow traders. Will here over to fxace.com. Firstly, welcome to today's video. So the last trading day of May and the last trading day of the week. So as you know, this week I started my new, if you've been watching my channel, my new daily briefings, which some of the trades that I've been posting in my daily videos have been excellent. Before we actually get into yesterday's trades and possible setups for today, as you can see, the Forex Pro dashboard is going a bit crazy at the minute. Some really nice setups today. If you're new to my channel, you've just simply landed and started watching my videos, hit the subscribe button now to stay up to date with all my latest daily videos and just basically information that will help you excel as a trader. Okay, so let's get into today's video. So first off, we're going to look at the trades that I talked about yesterday, which were on the British pound Kiwi, which turned out to be a really excellent move up yesterday, around 120 pips, I think at its peak from a divergence signal. The other one was the Kiwi Japanese yen, which was a nice sell of a nice divergence signal. And the other trade that I talked about yesterday was on gold. Okay, gold went up a little bit, then came down. It didn't go up to where I was looking to get enter the market, so I didn't even trade it yesterday. But the trades that I did take and I did tell you about were on the British pound Kiwi, which I said we were looking to enter around the 198 area. And as you can see, we got lots of divergence signals. This was the first one here, which was the one I entered during the US session. And you can see it actually went up 90 pips from its peak. Also, there was another signal here later in the day. And similar story, 90 pips. And it looks like it's going to continue up higher, longer term. So that was a nice trade yesterday. If you watched yesterday's video, I said I would wait for the dashboards to come down into the green area. As we were on yesterday's video, it was flashing green on the stochastic dashboard, and like I said, it was really nice setup at a higher time frame support area. And Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, up she went. So that was a nice trade on that. The next one was on the Kiwi Japanese yen. Okay, like I said yesterday, we showed you in the video what I was looking at, this area here, and the signal on this actually happened. Okay, we drew the support resistance line, yesterday in yesterday's video. This was the signal here, it happened, it dropped, and then here's another one. Okay, so both these trades absolutely smashed down. 30 pips in that one, and this one later in the day, when it came back up, we got around again similar 30-40 pips on it. Okay, the divergence signal would have happened at the close of this candle. Okay, so two nice trades in it yesterday. Like I said, the RSA stochastic dashboards were indicating a sell-off, possible sell-off. We were at a higher time frame resistance area, price zone in here that we drew yesterday in yesterday's video. And like I said, I'm expecting this to continue down. It was a nice trade yesterday. Okay, so that was the two trades yesterday. Go back, look at them, and then come back and look at the charts. Okay, the way I trade, I'm not being big-headed, but 70 to 75% of my trades will work out in my favor, and that's because we're trading with smart money and not against it. Okay, and using the Forex Pro dashboard gives us super high probability trades inside these kind of areas. Okay, so today's couple of trades that I'm going to give you, going to look at. One is that I've already got loaded, is on the Euro USD. Okay, we are at the approaching the extremities on both dashboards, and I am expecting this to drop down on a divergence signal today. Okay, so I already have my MACD robot programmed to take this trade. It is based on the free MACD indicator you can download below in the description of the video, and it's looking like a real nice setup today. Okay, 111 is a nice area. Okay, you can see I'm talking about selling this in here. Okay, if the divergence signal happens, okay, the divergence signal could happen higher up, all good, but I will be looking to take the first divergence signal that appears on this asset on either the 15-minute, 30-minute, or 1-hour chart. Okay, with the, if you actually access the Forex Pro dashboard, you get an indicator version of the EA, which you can actually just alert you to which time frame there signals on. Okay, I've got it automated. So this trade's just going to enter automatically for me using the EA. So that is on the Euro USD. Really nice setup. Okay, if you've got the free indicator, MACD indicator, look for a MACD divergence indicator there. Okay. Next one, you see gold is flashing up higher, but if we look at the dash B, Euro CAD, let's have a look at the Euro CAD. Okay. Euro CAD is not at the stochastic dashboard. Okay, so I wouldn't even be looking at it. Aussie USD. Okay, which is likely to. I'm trying to align these up. So the Aussie Kiwi, okay, the Aussie Kiwi, both them are. This is likely to approach the 600 area today on the RSA dashboard, and we are coming up towards 700 extreme on the stochastic dashboard. So I will look at this trade today. Let's just have a look first to see if we have any support, or sorry, resistance at this area. And looking at this 4-hour chart, I would look to possibly sell this up around 107.5. Okay, you can see there's a bit of resistance here on a lower time frame divergence. This will be a very short-term trade, possibly a scalp. Okay, get in here and sell down here. Okay, so a possible 50 pip scalp on that. But up here, I'll be looking to trade this possibly today. So a possible sell on the Aussie Kiwi. Dun, dun, dun. And what's just down the bottom? Euro. None of them are at the extremes. Okay, yeah, so that's two trades. I'll just have a look at the Aussie also. The Aussie maybe pointing to a sell. Okay, Aussie. Okay, so the Aussie USD. Okay, we are at kind of this nice resistance area. You see this huge drop that happened here before, and this was kind of after a breakdown of this support. Price breaks down, comes back up to test it, and you get the huge move down. So this could be a nice sell-off today, especially with the end of the month. We could see some profit taking. If this happens, I will look to enter this trade also on 15-minute, 30-minute, or 1-hour divergence at this, around this highs, these highs here, this week's high. Okay, so that's 3 possible trading setups today. They're all sales. Best one that I'm looking at is on the Euro USD, and yeah, so very, very powerful, and that's just basically based off the Forex Pro dashboard. Going over to it, analyze the market. We're likely to approach the extremes in it today. Look at the market, look at the charts. Are we at a support or resistance area? If we are, load the indicator to take a MACD divergence or whatever signal entry system you have for entering Forex. You can use it with the Forex Pro dashboard. Okay, because what it actually gives us is extreme points in the market and possible breakout areas and turning points. It's a very, very powerful dashboard. And as you can see this week, like 90% of the trades that I give you on these videos work out and go the direction of the dashboard. Okay, so to access the dashboard, you can simply click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Okay, have a great day. And if you take some of these trades, trade at your own risk. If you take them and profit, let me know in the comment area of the video. And have a great day. Get the Forex Pro dashboard now, and I shall see you on the next video, will@fxace.com.